Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
And cloud dough. It's so fun. It's like a little pillow of fun that you can play with. Oh,
there's a helicopter going over.
A helicopter going over. So it's got 2 ingredients, cornstarch and hair conditioner. And you can just, it's just so fun. Okay.
It smells really good.
And it smells good. It's just fun. Okay, so I'm going to leave that here, and now I'm going to show you how to make it. You're going to use 2 parts cornstarch, or I think in England they call it corn flour.
Yes.
So cornstarch, 2/3 cornstarch, 1/3 hair conditioning. This is suave. Suave. Okay, so I'm not going to measure. I'm going to eyeball it. But when we were making it today, we made it today with our kids at camp. We figured out it was better if it was wet to start, and then you added more cornstarch to dry it out a little bit. The other way around was challenging. And now you're going to mix it. It can be a little bit messy, but it just kind of is powdery, and it'll just brush off, unless there's tons of it.
And okay. Also, like even if you're outside and you spill it somewhere, it's going to eventually all dry up, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah. So you kind of just go in, make sure you get down to the bottom. You can kind of see here. Yes. It's fun. And it just
you
keep being here. It smells so good in this room.
Okay. So I'm making sure it's kind of, you want it to be not completely sticky. Maybe I'll make it super sticky so you can see you don't want it like super sticky. So I'm going to put a little bit more. I'm going to measure it in my special not measuring way. Stir it up. Okay. Maybe some of you have heard of something that the kids make called oobleck. And oobleck is just cornstarch and water. So this is a 2 ingredient thing too. Okay, now when you pretty much mixed it up, see I missed some at the bottom, you're going to turn it out to your surface. And then let the fun begin. Almost like you're making, what is it, bread dough. Okay, you're going to start mixing it. Okay.
Oh, I can see it's very sticky.
I've gone for a very sticky mix. How about that? Yes. This is good if you have a helper. So, if it's too sticky, you also don't want it too dry. Get my hands. Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay. So you're going to keep kneading it together. And you'll feel it start to come together and be kind of stretchy. Oh, it's nice. It's kind of like, there you go. Just keep smushing it and smushing it and smushing it. And then we found if you make it into like a snowball, then you can roll your snowball and pick up all the other little bits. And you can work really carefully and get them all, but I'm just going to stop here because you can kind of see. And now
it feels just right.
It'll hang a little bit like that.
And it's not sticking to your hands anymore.
It's not. And then once it's made, you'll know because it'll stop sticking to your hands, and you can pick up all the little bits that got stuck on your hand.
Oh, the other thing that I like about this is it makes your hands really soft, like you just put on lotion.
And if you could smell the office right now, it smells. Look at it. It's super fun. So there you have it. It's kind of a fun, easy science project-y kind of thing you could do at home. And then you want to keep it in a baggie or some sort of a wrapper when you're not playing with it. And don't play with it on your carpet, because then somebody at your house might not appreciate that. This might be a good outside project. And then, look at that. It's so fun. You should make cloud dough at home. Okay, thanks for joining us.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, friends.